Scott with Peel-Tek here, and we are on a stain job, and we've done all the masking pretty much we can do using tape, and so now we're pulling out the Peel-Tek on the areas where tape doesn't work very well on, such as the stone and the brick here on the fireplace. And so I'm going to show you what we do there. Now, what I like to do is I like to come along the bottom here, and I want to get it. There's a couple of different ways you can do this actually. You can conserve material by just simply maybe putting a spot here and there. And make sure it's fairly heavy too, so that when you go to peel it, you're not just having to rub it all off, it'll actually peel off. And then take a masking paper and go ahead and put a couple of spots up top there as well to hold the top portion of the paper, and just kind of lift her up into place here and pat it into place right into the Peel-Tek. And there you go, it's masked and it's ready to use. And we'll do the same thing along this edge here and along that brick right there, and it'll be done. So there you go. Thanks, Peel-Tek.